Hey there YouTube, I just got home from an estate sale where I picked up this Harvest Gold GE refrigerator for 12 bucks. It was half price day. I plugged it in, it worked. It wasn't plugged in when I looked at it, but it sounded alright, and I heard the compressor run and I heard the freezer fan motor running, so I figured for 12 bucks, if it doesn't work great, I could just scrap it. And on the bottom of the refrigerator here, this needs to be cleaned bad. At least the fan is not caked up, but the condenser or whatever is pretty dusty. And I got my handy dandy shop vac over there so I can clean it up. Still dirty. I might as well have to get the toothbrush out. Sorry, I'm gonna have to shut the camera off. This is gonna take a while. I gotta let the compressor charge up a little bit. Well, she's all clean now. Not the best job, but better than what it was. Now I gotta tip this thing out of the truck and put the doors back on. See ya. Well, she's all out of the truck and the doors are put back on now. The refrigerator's been plugged in for an hour cooling, and it's been cooling really well. A+. And I'll get a close-up. Finish is a little rough, but this is a Harvest Gold fridge, people. It's pretty old. It's probably from the late 70s, early 80s. Whoever buys this is just going to buy it for their garage or basement. They're not going to care about the color, really, as long as it cools their stuff. There's a little adhesive from the sticker that was on it. There's a dent right here. Not a big deal, as long as there's no hole. But as far as necessities, it has good door seals and no broken plastic, which I look for when buying used fridges. And here's the inside. It's got an ice cube tray right here. An adapter for an ice maker. Who cares about that? This is an old fridge. And the freezer's been cooling really well. I could feel the molding. I could feel the frost on the molding as I open the door. Especially these moldings. Freezer fan motor sounds pretty good. No broken plastic, and the door seal really good. And here's the refrigerator part. No broken plastic, pretty solid. A little dirty, but that's a part of buying a used fridge. Most of them are dirty when you get them. I'll just do a fast cleanup job on this. And the temperature is about 30.5 to 40. I've been opening the door too much. It was at 30 when I got back in the garage after it cooled for a while, so this came with it. But otherwise, no broken plastic. The door seals are really good. I figured I could probably pocket 50 to 60 bucks off of this. What the hell, 12 bucks? As long as it works good. And that concludes this video. Bye.